Are you climbing?
Yeah, very heavy. This big branch.
That is huge. Oh, careful, boob. Good job. That was a good save, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
He's over on the side of the house. Hey, Kaden. Kate. Come here, babe.
What is this?
Come here. What'd you just do? What were you doing? Were you climbing a tree?
Yeah. Look,
What's that?
it's a poop.
It is. Let's check it out. I think it's just a piece of dried fruit or something, bud, from the tree.
Dry fruit.
Yeah. Okay. Austin. Hey.
This side, look at this. This side.
Hey, Austin. What are you doing? Can you come back over this way, please? Austin.